What's up everybody, Goat Toaster 9 here, JJ Shankles, welcome back to the channel. Today we got an audio test of my keyboard. It's got Holy Red Panda switches with GMK Space Cadet keycaps on top, and the case is a TKC 1800 from the Key Company. But let's get right into the audio test. I love this switch. I love this keyboard. I think the GMK Space Cadet work amazingly with this TKC 1800 case. So Holy Red Pandas are a special switch in that you can't purchase them straight from a manufacturer in the state that they're commonly used in. So you have to buy YOK Panda switches, and then you take the stem out of a Halo switch, which are now sold and distributed by massdrop.com. When you take the stem of the Halo and put it in the case of the Panda, you will now create the Holy Red Panda, and it is a tactile delight. It's almost clicky. While the switch I don't think is overly tactile. Like the Novelty Royals, I thought those were a little bit too tactile for my taste. It was almost hard to press it down, like it was pushing back at you. Some people love them because it's so tactile. These, I really like the tactility without being hard to press down, if that even makes sense. Also, all the stabs were clipped, lubed, and put the bandaid mod on them. I used Super Lube as the lube for those. The switches aren't lubed. I thought it sort of took away from the tactility from it, so I didn't choose to lube any of the switches and just went with straight, taking them apart, putting them together. Hope you like this video. As always, like and subscribe down below, and if you have any questions, post them down below and I'd love to get back to you. So thank you guys for sticking around. Go Toaster out.